Today we'll talk about how can you enable activity notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on push notifications, just click on it. You click here on push notifications. So then you click here on go to settings here. So then it's going to take you to this is click on notification categories here. You come here to activity here, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's main activity notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.